Imagine standing at the heart of a technological revolution, with its ripples subtly reshaping the world around you, yet few truly grasp the enormity of what's unfolding. This is the reality with Tesla and their groundbreaking 4680 Gen 3 batteries, a milestone that pushes the boundaries of energy storage and manufacturing. We often hear buzzwords like disruption and innovation, but true technological magic lies hidden in the intricate details where breakthroughs are quietly born. Now, envision a battery that's not just cheaper, but remarkably more powerful, thanks to a cutting-edge advancement that seemed ripped from the pages of science fiction: dry electrode coating. This dry electrode technology is more than a step forward, it's a seismic shift. Historically, manufacturing battery electrodes was a painstaking process, requiring complex wet methods, riddled with costly solvents and energy-consuming steps. But Tesla has upended the status quo, introducing a dry process that strips away the inefficiencies of the past. By eliminating these additional steps, Tesla not only lowers production costs but also significantly reduces the environmental footprint. This simplified approach is a triumph of engineering, unlocking faster, more affordable battery production with a 30% reduction in cost, a bold leap forward. But it doesn't stop at economics. Tesla's 4680 Gen 3 batteries are not just about cutting costs, they aim to redefine what's possible. The company has set its sights on increasing energy density, targeting a monumental 300 watt-hours per kilogram. For electric vehicle owners, this could mean significantly longer driving ranges and vehicles with batteries that last for decades. How? Tesla is leveraging manganese-rich cathodes, a brilliant choice that enhances energy efficiency while extending battery life. This innovation translates into future electric vehicles traveling farther on a single charge, promising a transformative shift in both convenience and sustainability. The philosophy of less is more underpins Tesla's entire battery strategy. For decades, traditional battery production consumed vast amounts of energy and raw materials, especially during the liquid-intensive wet coating phase. This required blending raw materials with solvents, followed by an extensive drying process, a method as inefficient as it was resource-heavy. Tesla's dry coating flips this paradigm on its head, applying coatings directly in a solid state. This breakthrough accelerates production timelines, slashes energy usage, and minimizes waste, reducing the risk of errors and lowering costs. The result? A streamlined process that marries efficiency with precision. What makes this achievement even more extraordinary is that it didn't happen overnight. It took years of relentless research, testing, and refinement to scale the dry coating method, an accomplishment that, not long ago, seemed nearly unattainable. Now, as this process is woven into Tesla's production lines, the results speak for themselves: faster, more economical battery production on a massive scale. And here's the kicker: these cost savings are expected to be passed on to consumers, paving the way for electric vehicles that are not just aspirational but attainable for millions. Beyond the economic and environmental implications, this dry electrode process also elevates battery quality. By sidestepping the traditional drying phase, Tesla reduces the risk of contamination and defects, leading to more durable, higher-performing batteries. In the competitive world of electric vehicles, where battery performance is everything, this reliability could prove to be a defining edge. Yet, the benefits extend far beyond the factory floor. By eliminating liquid solvents, Tesla significantly reduces volatile organic compound emissions, chemicals known to harm both the environment and workers' health. This innovation transforms Tesla's production facilities into greener, more sustainable spaces, shrinking their environmental footprint while enhancing safety, a win for the planet and the people. But perhaps the most exciting aspect of this revolution is the door it opens for future advancements. The dry coating technique could pave the way for new, experimental battery chemistries, materials previously incompatible with the wet process. This breakthrough creates a fertile ground for innovation, where untapped possibilities await, promising to further accelerate the pace of discovery in energy storage. At the same time, this advancement solidifies Tesla's autonomy. By refining and perfecting their own manufacturing processes, Tesla lessens its dependency on external suppliers, gaining greater control over the cost and quality of its battery components. This self-sufficiency not only enhances Tesla's resilience in an ever-changing market but also positions the company to lead future innovations without external limitations. What we're witnessing is not just the evolution of a battery, it's the evolution of energy itself, where Tesla continues to drive the world toward a more sustainable and electrifying future. The battery industry is undergoing a profound transformation, especially in a scenario where demand for materials such as lithium and cobalt is exploding, while their prices are becoming increasingly volatile and unpredictable. In this challenging environment, Tesla's breakthrough with its revolutionary dry coating could be a game changer. If the company can successfully deploy this technology on a global scale, it could be a true paradigm shift in battery production, not just for electric cars, but for a wide range of applications, including energy storage, consumer electronics, and more. The potential impact of this innovation is enormous. Tesla is targeting energy density of up to 300 Wh/kg with the evolution of the 4680 Gen 3 battery, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. The company is introducing manganese-rich cathodes, an element that, despite having played a minor role in battery technology until now, is poised to take center stage. Manganese's abundance, affordability and stable performance make it an ideal candidate for this new generation of batteries, transforming it from a supporting player to a leading player in an era where every advance counts. Incorporating manganese into battery composition not only increases energy density, but also extends the lifespan of cells, ensuring that electric vehicles can travel longer distances without sacrificing durability. In a scenario where energy density is the holy grail of performance, more energy per kilogram of battery means more range for vehicles. Tesla is navigating a delicate balance, seeking to maximize density while ensuring that the battery remains safe and durable. In this regard, manganese stands out as a silent hero, bringing the best of both worlds, more energy with greater safety. This innovative approach, far from being a stroke of luck, is the result of years of meticulous research and bold experimentation. The choice of manganese, for example, is not limited to a question of superior performance, but reflects a growing concern for sustainability. Unlike scarcer and more expensive materials like cobalt, manganese is abundant and easier to extract, easing pressure on global supply chains and reducing production costs. This strategic decision not only strengthens the economic viability of batteries, but also contributes to a more ethical and sustainable supply chain. Tesla has positioned itself from the beginning as a company that challenges conventions and breaks boundaries. The 4680 Gen 3 is a perfect example of this spirit. By exploring new ways to increase energy density, improve sustainability, and extend battery life, the company is not only envisioning a promising future for electric vehicles, it is shaping it. The introduction of manganese could very well be the catalyst that ushers in a new era of batteries that are not only powerful, but also environmentally responsible. In addition to the direct benefits in terms of efficiency and durability, the adoption of manganese promises to have a significant impact on the range of electric vehicles. With greater energy density, Tesla cars will be able to travel even further on a single charge, minimizing the range anxiety that still plagues many drivers. This makes electric vehicles more practical for everyday use and, at the same time, accelerates mass adoption, attracting an increasingly diverse and demanding audience. Of course, these advances have come with challenges. Incorporating manganese on a large scale has required complex adjustments to Tesla's manufacturing processes. However, the company has once again demonstrated its unique ability to turn obstacles into opportunities. By overcoming these barriers, Tesla is leading the industry, paving the way for batteries that not only raise the bar on performance, but also redefine sustainability in the sector. These innovations go beyond mobility. By developing more efficient and durable batteries, Tesla is contributing to a more sustainable energy ecosystem. The new batteries enable more efficient storage of electricity generated by renewable sources such as solar and wind, helping to make clean energy more affordable and viable. At a time when the demand for clean energy solutions has never been more urgent, this evolution is crucial to the planet's energy future. The 4680 Gen 3 and the inclusion of manganese-rich cathodes represent more than a technological leap forward, they are the embodiment of Tesla's commitment to aligning innovation and sustainability. These improvements not only transform the way we move, but also have the potential to profoundly influence the future of multiple industries. Looking at the long-term impact, it's clear that Tesla is not just a car maker, it is positioning itself as a driving force in global energy solutions, shaping a cleaner, more efficient and more revolutionary future. Now, let's dive deeper into this move that Tesla is about to make and how it could completely transform the dynamics of the automotive industry. We're not just talking about a simple cost reduction, we're talking about a true revolution in the way batteries are produced. Tesla, with its engineering and innovation prowess, is about to drastically cut the production costs of its batteries, and this change has the potential to impact much more than just the final price of the cars. Imagine this scenario: electric cars that are already leading the way towards a cleaner future now become even more affordable. All thanks to this meticulous engineering and optimization effort. When we talk about a cost reduction, we're not talking about shaving a few cents here and there. We're talking about savings so significant that they could cause the price of Tesla vehicles to drop by thousands of dollars. For many, the dream of having a Tesla in their garage, something that once seemed unattainable, suddenly becomes a tangible reality. This move, however, goes far beyond simply selling more cars. What Tesla is doing is redefining the rules of the game. By reducing the cost of producing its batteries, it is opening up a much larger market. A lower price point means that its vehicles will now be a viable option for a much larger portion of the population, including those who may never have considered buying an electric car before. This could have a ripple effect across the automotive industry, forcing other automakers to follow suit and find ways to reduce the cost of their own models. In the end, everyone benefits, with more choice and more affordable prices. Let's think about it. With this new wave of buyers, Tesla is not only boosting its sales, but also strengthening its market presence. This isn't just about increasing market share, it's about setting trends, setting the pace of innovation, and keeping the competition playing catch up to what Tesla has already achieved. And let's be honest, when Tesla makes a bold move like this, the entire market feels the reverberations. What's more, by cutting costs, Tesla can maintain or even increase its profit margins, even with lower prices. This is the true genius of this strategy. While other automakers may have to sacrifice quality or cut costs in other areas to stay competitive, Tesla, with its technological innovations, continues to deliver more value for the same price or even less. This gives it a competitive advantage that is hard to overcome. But it's not just about profit. By reducing the cost of its batteries, Tesla is positioning itself to reinvest even more in research and development, which means we'll see even more innovations on the horizon. And let's be honest, who isn't excited to see what Tesla comes up with next? Whether it's a revolutionary new model, a new charging technology, or even expanding into other sectors, every dollar saved could be one step closer to the next big thing. And let's not forget the environmental impact that these cost reductions can have. By making electric vehicles more affordable, Tesla is accelerating the transition to sustainable mobility, helping to drastically reduce CO2 emissions. Every additional Tesla on the road means fewer fossil fuel vehicles and, ultimately, a cleaner planet. So this cost reduction isn't just about saving money, it's also about saving natural resources and ensuring a more sustainable future for us all. Another intriguing point is that this strategy isn't limited to individual consumers. With a more affordable vehicle lineup, Tesla could become an even more attractive option for large corporate and government fleets. Imagine entire cities replacing their fleets with Teslas, driven by the savings provided by these cost reductions. Not only would this generate billion-dollar contracts for the company, it would also help to cement Tesla as one of the most influential and powerful brands in the world. And of course, these economies of scale would allow Tesla to further reduce production costs, creating a virtuous cycle of affordability and innovation. Speaking of scale, emerging markets are another territory ripe for the taking. In regions where price is a deciding factor in vehicle purchases, Tesla now has the chance to enter with full force, offering high-quality electric cars at prices that were previously considered impossible. This would not only expand the company's customer base, but also help ensure its sustainable growth in the long term. What's most fascinating is that, even with these reduced prices, Tesla doesn't compromise on quality or innovation. The old adage of "you get what you pay for" doesn't apply here. Tesla is proving that it is possible to be competitive on price without sacrificing what really matters: innovation, sustainability, and a vision of a future where electric cars are the rule, not the exception. This cost reduction and the pressure it puts on the competition is good news not just for Tesla, but for anyone who believes in a cleaner, smarter, and more affordable future. If Tesla achieves its goals, we will be on the cusp of a new era for electric vehicles, where sustainability and innovation go hand in hand with affordability and competitiveness. That, my friends, is something that really deserves to be watched closely. Finally, it is worth mentioning the crucial role of the 4680 Gen 3 battery. By scaling up production of this innovative technology, Tesla is making a significant leap forward not only in terms of quantity, but also in efficiency and affordability. The cost per unit of these batteries is decreasing as mass production accelerates, allowing Tesla to offer even more price-competitive vehicles without compromising on quality. This is more than a technical breakthrough, it's a disruptive strategy that forces the entire industry to rethink its production and innovation models. With the 4680 Gen 3 battery, Tesla is redefining the parameters of energy efficiency, meaning its vehicles will be able to travel further on a single charge, making them more attractive to an even wider audience. And of course, with accelerated production, Tesla can scale these innovations faster than any competitor, cementing its technological leadership and leaving the competition scrambling to stay relevant. We are on the cusp of a new era, where Tesla is not just an automaker, but a symbol of global innovation. The ramp-up of production of the 4680 Gen 3 is just the beginning of an even more ambitious phase. And the future has never looked so exciting.